Hi everybody, it's Marcy, and it's day 11 already of the 12 Days of Digis 2020. Can't believe we're already up to day 11 with only one more day to go. Alright, so today we had these tags from Dear Julie Julie along with this little label and the bells, and we had these pockets from Cara Brandon. So, what I did was, I've not gone back and used anything from previous days. I'm trying just to use that day's stuff on that day. So, what I've done is I did create two pockets. You can see here the pockets are very simple, but where the thumb hole is, I did back that with some lace, just because I like the way it looked. And then for this tag behind is the Dear Julie Julie tag, but I actually had to print this envelope twice, well, both envelopes twice. But I took the tag and I took the side edges from the envelopes and trimmed out the tag and then put the flower right in the middle. And I tucked it behind the trim here and brought it in front of the trim up here. And I kind of like the way that looks. Then I added the little bells up here. There were already bells there, but it was this one. But the trim didn't cover them completely. So I used these bells to set on top of it. Then over here we have this tag, and I didn't trim it out as much. I did use this one of the side panels off of the envelope, and out of the second one I printed, I cut out some of the holly and put up there and just turned it into a little top tuck. And then I used the Dear Julie Julie label and just stamped "Have a Holly Jolly Christmas" on it. And that can slide right into the little top tuck. And that's all I did for these, but I think they're really kind of pretty. These envelopes, I've always, every day I've looked at stuff, and some stuff has come across to me sort of as whimsical or fun or pretty. This came across to me sort of as elegant. So I wanted to keep it simple and kind of allow it to be maybe a little more elegant looking. So anyway, that's it for day 11. One more day to go, and I hope you're enjoying this. I'd love to know if you're playing along. This has been so much fun. So until next time, everyone, please be safe, stay healthy, happy crafting, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.